Can I say, sadly, we did have 2 more deaths. 2 more people have passed away, people whose families today will be obviously very sad. And I think on behalf of our entire New South Wales community, I express my sympathy and the community's sympathy to the families of those 2 people. One was an 83-year-old and one was a 58-year-old, and Dr. McAnulty will give further details in relation to those people. ICU, our ICUs across the state. We currently have 25 patients in our intensive care units, which is, again, far less than we thought we would have, but far more than we want, actually, with COVID-19. And of those 25, 18 are ventilated. I've indicated this before, but I think it's appropriate I do it again. I've been closely examining the numbers as they increase, although modestly, and we remain that around about 42% of all of the cases, all the positive cases, are people under the age of 40. So for those of you who think that you can't get COVID-19 because you're younger, well, the answer is you absolutely can. In fact, 1,238 people of the total 2,936. Let's repeat that. The 1,238 cases of the total 2,936 cases that are confirmed are all under the age of 40. So my strong message as Health Minister here in New South Wales to young people is take it very seriously, very, very seriously. And interestingly, when we look at the particular group that has perhaps got the highest number by a long shot is the 20 to 29-year-olds. Social distancing is what is keeping us safe. It's what is keeping our community safe, keeping individuals safe, keeping your family safe. But for some reason, the 20 to 29-year-olds, you have to get the message, guys, that this is actually not the time for partying. It's not the time for hanging out in large groups. We're serious about the message. And the message is stay safe and stick to the rules. Stick to the 1.5 metre social distancing. We've had people as young as about late 20s, early 30s across the country who've ended up in our ICU units. So just take it seriously, please. Social distancing is the message. That 1.5 metres distance can make a huge difference. It can save your life, it can save your friends' lives, your family's lives, and of course you can try and avoid sticking to the 1.5 metre, but you'll probably find yourself not avoiding the ICU units if you do that. So stick to the social distancing.